Guys, what is E63 from here? Huh?
The E63?
Yeah, it's outside.
It's outside.
It's done?
The
No
pump
leak?
is here to come.
Huh?
The shack is here to bring the pump.
Ah, the small pump, the coolant pump.
Yeah.
Okay, so the auxiliary pump.
Yes.
All right. So, okay, you know why? Because I want to continue open this. This is the pump that this is from us.
Yeah. The one
That we don't have a healthy one.
Exactly.
Okay, this you can throw it in garbage. The car's in front of the office.
Yeah, city.
I have to open this engine. Okay, well, let me go and see too. Okay, we are talking about this pump here. Mr. John, before he put clamp with a bolt with a screw like this type, and this is not correct anyhow, yeah, but it's leaking around, has a leak around. So Omar, he ordered the pump and the hose.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna change this and then we're gonna have a test drive. And I'm gonna finish the video here. If there is any problem, we're gonna start the video again. Otherwise, it stops here.